Have you been looking for a way to change your video background? Here is a quick and easy tutorial for everyone who is looking forward to use a fake background on their videos. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, before we go into this tutorial, you have to have these few things in mind if you want to achieve a great background. And number one is that it doesn't matter whether you are using laptop or phone device. Number two is that you have to have a tripod for the stability of your videos. And number three is good lighting. You need a good lighting for the clear view of your videos. If you didn't have any light, you can use your natural light as long as the weather is too bright for you to use. And number four is the movement. You need to mind the way you move so it will not expose the real background you are using. So these are the few things you need to have in mind if you want to achieve a great background. So in today's video, we'll be using two apps to create this background, and number one is Pinterest and CapCut. Pinterest is the app we'll be using to download our background, either living room setup, kitchen setup, bedrooms, like any type of background you want is in the Pinterest before heading over to CapCut to edit your videos. So let's head over to the tutorial.
Okay loves, we are here on Pinterest. If you didn't have one, you can download one from your Play Store or your App Store. Then they will require your Gmail address. Put in your Gmail address and you are good to go. The app is just for free. So after that, you will see a lot of background on their page. But if you didn't like anyone, you can go to the search button, click it in, and type in the type of background you want. So as you can see, I type in office setup and they load a lot of beautiful background that you can choose from. So I scrolled through their page and I found this beautiful background. Then you click in the three buttons at the top. They will show you download and you can download your background. You know, this background is going directly to your phone and you can choose as many as possible. Maybe the one you downloaded is not good enough for your video, you can change it. So I found this beautiful background again. I downloaded it before heading over to CapCut. So we are finally on CapCut. You click the new project, then it will take you to your gallery. You pick the selected video, your already edited video or picture that you want to change the background. Then import it and then look for remove BG, that is remove background. Then when you click on it, you will see custom remove or automatic remove. You click on automatic remove and the background will just change to black. Then what you have to do again is to go back, look for where they wrote background, not remove BJ, just background. Then click on it, you see blur, you see another, you see image. Then click on image and select the background you want to use, import it to it, and it will automatically change. And guys, you are good to go.
So loves, I hope you learned something, and if you find this video interesting, please click the subscribe button to subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified when I post a new video. Bye.